Hello world, in this video we'll styling up the view for a create post. So first open gem file and let's add a new gem. We're gonna use gem drop zone GS rails and save it. So drop zone GS is an awesome file load GS library. It looks fantastic. Okay, so next let's add assets JavaScript application.js and let's run here. Require drop zone. The drop zone. Save it and in style sheet application SSS and let's write import drop zone. Save it. And for some simple icon, we're gonna use Font Awesome. So go to how to use and then copy this. Copy and let's paste it in our view layout application HTML and paste it here. Save it. Now let's customize the view for create. So open the post and we're gonna customize this. Alright, now let's write some HTML div.deflex flex column align items center margin top 3. So we're gonna have a column in the middle, which means align it in the center, and inside we have div call xl7 call lg8 call md10 call sm11 postcard. So inside we have postcard and the size of the card is different based on the size of the screen. Next we have div.card div.card header. So we have create post and after that we have div card body and inside we move the form in here. So form for HTML multi-class true and we have a class. We're gonna use the library drop zone upload image. So padding 0, border 0, do F div dot form group dot row dot margin top 2 rem div dot call auto padding right 0. So we gonna print out the image check avatar URL current URL current user class host author icon. So just typing with me, later you'll see what I mean. Padding left 0 and we print out f dot text. Well, actually we will paste this in here, cut and paste it in here. Form control border 0 placeholder say something about this and outside of that we have div dot fallback. Cut this and paste in here. So delete this, and we have div dot drop zone message dot mo margin 0, and we have div dot drop zone preview dot margin bottom 3. So notice that previews, we have s in here. Alright, and inside we have div dot upload photos icons e dot class, dot fa plus fa 2x area hidden true style color ddbfe2. Alright, and we have submit. Now we change it to post btn primary. Save it. Alright, let's see what we got and run a server. Now let's go to hosts. Alright, yeah, it's look very ugly now. This profile should be smaller, and here's the same content, and this is the file picker icons. You click that and it will show you a dialog to pick file, just like previous video, but this needs some styling now. So let's go back and open CSS file. Now let's run post author icon, height 40 pixel, width 40 pixel, border radius 50%, margin right 10 pixel. Okay, and we gonna, so next I will customize upload photos from here. Upload photo icons, hover, cursor, pointer, drop zone, preview, drop zone preview dot drop zone image preview, again 2 pixel, drop zone image, border radius 0 pixel, important image, width 100%, drop zone remove, extend or spray, extend high text, position absolute, top 9 pixel, right 5 pixel, Z index 20, width 18 pixel, height 18 pixel, error position 386 pixel, 25 pixel, opacity 0, WebKit transition opacity 2-second linear transition, the same. Save it. Drop zone preview, hover, drop zone remove, opacity 1. Okay, opacity 1. Save it. Well, actually we have the final is upload photos icon, A120 with the same 120 order 2 pixel dash DDD-FE2 radius 2 pixel, heading 48, display inline block, and margin 2 pixel. Save it. Now let's see. Okay, you see this button, the file picker, is not really do anything. So we have to write GS for drop zone to be able to pick file. So let's open JavaScript, create new file, upload post images GS, drop zone auto discover false. So when the document is ready, gonna run the function to initialize the drop zone, and we get the plus icon, and we're gonna initialize drop zone. If we move link true, max file size 1 here is 1 megabyte. So the maximum size of the file is 1 megabyte. Auto process Q false. So the default behavior of drop zone is right after you pick the file, the drop zone will upload it right away. So we're gonna say auto process Q is false, and upload multiple true. That means we can pick multiple files. Parallel upload 100 files at once, and max file we can pick is 100. Parents name image, our parents in the controller, previews container drop zone preview, clickable, upload photos icon, our icon, thumbnail width 100, and thumbnail hey 100. This is the preview side of the image, and init function var my drop zone for this, and I'm writing some callback for our drop zone. This dot element dot query selector input type submit add event listener click function e dot prevent default e dot stop propagation my drop zone dot process queue. Alright, so another callback is this dot on. So says multiple function files response window.location.reload. So this will trigger when the file has successfully been sent, and after that we'll just refresh the page, right? And another callback is when we have error function files respond, we're going to use the toaster error response. Okay, save it and save it. Right, now refresh and click. Oh, nothing happened. Let's see what we have. Yes, we have syntax error. Where's the line? Alright, it doesn't show us where. I think it's on line 6 or something. Oh, okay, this should be comma. Save it. Refresh and click. Oh, still nothing work? Okay, unexpected token 17 function. Oh gosh, you got a typo in there. C, okay. I'm pretty sure that it will work now. Run it. Yes. So for example, if user types something plus content and they click post right away with no image, so in that case our app will bug. So to prevent user from doing that, let's fix our code, open model and post.rb, oh no, photo.rb, and in here let's write validate image presence true. So by writing validate, every time they create a photo, they must have an image. Okay. And one more thing we have to do is, since we're using drop zone, so our params will change a little bit. So let's change our controllers. So let's open host controllers, and in here we change it to params image image. Save it. Alright, now let's pick our files. So I'll create a content and pick a file and hit post and wait a little bit. Okay, our post is successfully created. Now the next thing I want to do is customize this post list. And when display a post, I want to display the name and the avatar of the post author. So in the controller we have to also include user and I change the order created at desk, so we always see the latest post display first. Alright, now let's back to our view, our index. So we're gonna customize this. So post.h do post we're gonna write div dot cart dot margin top free post. We'll call this a post. And inside we have div dot cart header link to user path post dot user class no text decoration do and image tag avatar URL post dot user class post author icon, and down below we have link to user path post user class normal color no text decoration title post.user.name and do and inside we have strong post user name. Save it. And inside we have div.cart body. Okay, so we have cart header and cart body. div.row.action a Corspire love high text. So we're gonna create interact button for a post. For example, we can love, create comments, and hit bookmark. And here we say love, copy and paste. So in here we have comment, and this is comment. This is bookmark. This is work mark, and we add another class is mark left auto to shift it into a right corner. Div strong pluralize 16. So for now I just print some dummy data, and we have another div span strong host user.name and span host content. Oh, I just printed already. Host content. And we have another div light color host time, and we're going to use time ago in words host dot created at uppercase space ago, and we're going to display how long this post has been created. Alright, hr div.row.actions form class, and inside we have div text area. So here we don't have name yet, no ID, not yet, class, form, control, comment, input, border, 0, placeholder. Eight a comment. So you can guess that what this does already, right? Row 1. Save it. Alright, and we could delete all of this. Delete and save it. Now let's see what we got. Refresh. Alright, we have some problem with avatar URL function. So let's see where's the URL come from. That's fine is helpers. And this function, I think we have the problem with this gsub functions. Alright, so after we cut this normal string, we assign back to user image fields using this bang method. This exclamation mark is actually a bang method, and that user is saved in the cache. So in other post, if we have the same user and that user don't have this normal string, so we fail to cut and this method return nil. So instead, we should cut this normal string when we create users. So we only cut once, not every time we render user avatar. This is so waste of resource. I should have noticed before. Cut it, and here we'll only return user image. And we should cut it in user from OmniAuth. So when we got the image, we gonna dot gsub. No, okay, save it, and this should work. Okay, looking good. So in order to display image in a post, for example, we have multiple image in a post, so we're gonna use a bootstrap component called carousel. Go to get bootstrap and search for carousel, and I'm gonna copy one. Yeah, this looks good. I'll copy this, copy, and in here, no, not here, index, and in here we paste it. If post.photos.size 1, we're gonna print now image tag post photos first image URL standard class current image top else and else div dot carousel dot slide and we also have data right carousel, and for ID, because ID is unique for each post, so we're gonna write like this: carousel post.id. So in this case, we have carousel post 1 for the post with ID 1, for example, and for another post ID, we have carousel post 2, 3, or 4 or something. So that will make this ID unique. And inside here, let's paste it, what we just copied previously, and tab. Alright, for this div, this course in a div, we're gonna write like this: post.photos.each do photos, and if photo equal photo post dot photos dot first. So if this is the first one, and if this is the first one, we gonna to carousel item active. This is gonna be active one. And okay, notice that we're gonna cut this and paste it in here. Tab it inside div.carousel item. Okay. So after that, we're gonna print out image tag, photo, image URL, standard, class, current image top. Alright, delete everything in here. Delete it. And next we have to change this carousel button. So this should be corresponding with the ID of the post. So we write like this: carousel post, and copy, paste. So each post has its own carousel, and each of this button point to this corresponding carousel. Right, now let's have a test. Okay, we have this button. So of course that it looks so big right now, and it actually be inside this. Okay, don't worry, I will change it now. Cut it and paste it in here, in this, inside this big div. Paste it, save it, refresh. Okay, perfect. Okay, and actually I will move all of this code inside a partial file. So let's create inside post, create post list.html.erb, and paste it in here. Save it, and back here, go in here, you take here and select everything and delete it. So instead, let's write div post, actually post, and render post list. Save it. Now let's see. Okay, let's write CSS for this button in this file. I'll call this customize post view, and post card header, background color white, card body heading 5, 16, 5. Actions again 12, 0. Post time again top 5 pixel, font size 10 pixel, comment input, font size 14 pixel, and resize none. Previous button, background position 281 pixel, 280 pixel, hey 30 pixel, opacity 1, width 30 pixel, and we have next button, background position 353 pixel 0, hey 30 pixel, opacity 1, width 30 pixel, and we write some button, love extend background position 325 pixel minus 329 pixel, hey 24 pixel, width 24 pixel, we have love, we're gonna extend from love as we have a different icon, is from 182 336 pixel, and next one is comment, also extend from love, but background position also a different icon, 258 pixel, 175 pixel, left 8 pixel, and bookmark extend from left, background position is 150 353 pixel, and save it. Let's see what we got. It should change. This ugly line should change. Oh, it's not changed. Alright, let's see. And we have some typos, action and input. Save it. Now let's see. Alright, this we have some problem. Right, this should not be a link in post list. Where is it? Here. Alright, this shouldn't be href. This should be outside. And class. And this the same. Class. Alright, copy it. Paste in here. Save it. Refresh. Cool. Yeah, perfectly. And somehow I see this one still not work, and the image is too small, like it's trying to stretch out, you know, and let's working on it. So no text decoration. Yeah, we still haven't declared this. No text decoration and normal color. No text decoration. We should write in here. No text decoration. Hover. Text decoration none. Color 262626 and normal color 262626. Save it, refresh. This should be changed. Alright, looking good. And about this image is in photo uploader. Where is it? Uploader, go to uploader, and in here I'll change to 1080, and it should crop from the center. Save it, refresh. It should be much more sharp. Perfect. Alright, good. And one last thing I want to do is I'm going to change this page into our home page, into our root page. So open config and route.rb, and the root here from page home I'll change to host index. Save it, refresh. So for example, when you go to the root, localhost 3000, and this should be your homepage. Okay, so cool. That's it for this video. That's a lot of code. That's a lot of code. Way to go, guys. See you guys next time.